Okay guys, new product release. So Jmacx have been working on this product for a little while now. What we've seen from this space is for the Ram 1500, the DS and the DCs, rear, lower and upper trailing arms. Now, the issues that we've been seeing over the years is bush failure. They're not a great quality bush. The bush is not replaceable, so you have to buy complete replacement arms for these. Now, there's been a couple of options on the market that we've seen running Johnny joints. Unfortunately, a lot of these are still running poly bushes. Whilst Johnny joints are adjustable and greasable and whatnot, the slop in those bushes, etc., the constant adjustment, you can't beat rubber bushings like OE. So there's a reason why all your OE manufacturers, your Land Cruisers, your Nissans, your Toyotas, your Fords, all of that run rubber bushings, OE style rubber bushings, because these bushes will do 100,000 kilometers without batting an eyelid, and they remove vibration from the car. Now the Ram 1500s do have anti-vibration devices onto their chassis, etc. They do suffer from vibration. When you lift these cars, they suffer from pinion vibrations that have put excessive wear on the pinions on the diffs as well. So there's a number of reasons why you should stick with OE rubber, and that is what we've done. So what we've done is we've designed and developed forged upper and lower trailing arms. So these guys, there's no welding, they're fully forged, they're left and right hand threaded, so they're fully adjustable in the car. The nuts are different colors to indicate left and right hand thread, so when you're adjusting them, it's clear. These are very, very strong, probably the strongest units on the market that you will find. However, we have maintained OE bushes. Now, Jmacx have been using this particular rubber bush for years and years and years with zero failure. So our bush manufacturing side of it has been exceptional. We've steered away from anything that's poly. It's produced nothing but problems over the years, and we stick with that OE finish. So if you've got a 1500 and you're looking for replacement rear arms, these are the go-to for it. They are now in stock currently at HQ. We will be having them put on the website shortly, but if you're interested and you want to purchase them straight away, contact us at Jmacx HQ or watch on the website in the coming week and they'll be listed up for sale on the website. The other thing is rubber replacement bushes will be carried in stock as well, for years down the track if anyone has an issue, so you won't have to replace the arm, and I think that's the key to it. Double locking nuts on them to ensure that they don't come loose. So we've gone to town with these things to ensure the quality. They're also black E-coated. They're not powder coated, it's black E-coating. So very, very high quality product and available now.